Good afternoon to you all. Welcome to this class of mathematics. Let's start from page 44. Open page 44. Open page 44. If you've already reached there, put up the hand I see. Wow. Page 44. Last time we looked at capacity. By the way, you can remind me, what is capacity? What is capacity? Because we are still dealing with capacity. What is capacity? Who remembers? Yes? I'm trying to recall, what is capacity? What did we say? Yes, Melanie? Melanie, unmute yourself and tell me.
Capacity is the measure in liters.
Okay, thank you Melanie for trying. Another trial. What is capacity? Who can recall? Yes, Paisley. What is capacity?
In liters. Capacity.
Paisley?
Fish.
Yes.
Capacity is measured in liters.
Okay, I remember. I wrote for you that answer last time. First was not in your books. We said, hey, yes, Anna. Let me first see whether she remembers. Anna, what is capacity?
Capacity is the amount of liquid a container holds.
Wow! We said capacity is the amount of liquid a container holds. Thank you so much. And then when we say liters, that is the standard unit. Or we say that capacity is measured in liters. That is the standard unit of capacity. Now for today we are going to first look at subtraction of liters. Still we are dealing with capacity. Let's go to number 1. Number 1 on page 44, we have 56 liters. 56 liters. Take away 32 liters. Take away 52 liters. What should you do first? First write the unit. Right there the unit liters. Okay, after, draw the line in the middle, separate the place values, ones from tens. Are we done? Now let's come to this. This one I'm answering it first because I know it's just like a review. I'll see where we are going to move slowly, where we are going to find the borrow. But here we have 6, take away 2. Draw the 6 symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cross out 2. 1, 2. How many have you remained with? Let's count the balls which have remained. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put there number 4. We come to tens. We have 5, take away 3. Draw the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. Count the remainder. 1, 2. Put there your number 2. Then we come to number 2. Number 2 is 247 liters. 247 liters. Take away 25 liters. Still this one, we are going to answer it faster because it is also not challenging, okay? Here we first start with the unit, which is liters. We draw our line in the middle. Separate the tens from ones. Then under ones we have 7, take away 5. Let's draw the 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many have you remained with? 1, 2. We come to tens. We have here 4, take away 2. We draw the 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take away 2. 1, 2. How many have remained with? 1, 2. We come under hundreds. There we have 2, take away nothing. Any number, take away nothing, you remain with that very number. Okay? Now on number 3. Now here we need to be very attentive on number 3. I have 610 liters. Take away 264 liters. Let me first see how many people are already on number 3. Because I said on number 3, I don't want to leave anybody. We need to be very, very attentive on number 3. How many people are already on number 3? Alright. Those ones who are still answering number 2, do it faster. We go to number 3 together. I don't want to leave anybody on number 3. Okay, one more time. If you're already number 3, put up the hand I see. Wow. Now let's start. Let's go step by step. First, right there the unit, liters. Right there the unit. Are we done? Now the next step. Let's first separate the place values. Let's first draw the lines in the middle. Separate this from this. Okay? If you are done, put up the hand. I don't want to leave anybody on that work. Oh wow. Now we are starting from ones. Who can tell me what can you see from ones? This is the place value of ones. What can you see? What are you going to subtract under ones? Yes, Austin? Austin? Yes, what can you see under ones? Yes. Okay, who else? Shivan, what can you see under ones? Which numbers can you see? Yes. I can't hear you, my daughter. Speak up. 0, take away 4. But for this case, we shall say that that one is impossible. So take away 4. What are we going to do? Who can try? What are we going to do? 0, take away 4. It will not be possible. We need to do something. What are we going to do? Yes, you can remind. What are you going to do? Still. Oh my God. Yes, Daniel. Daniel, first unmute yourself.
We are going to borrow.
We are going to. Okay, thank you. We are going to borrow. Here we shall come to the next place value. We had 1 here. We shall take away this 1. Here we shall remain with the 0. We go to the next place value with our 1. And that one is having 10. Now if we set 10, let's write here. 10 plus 0. 10 plus 0, what do we get? The 10 which you've got from here plus this is 0. What do we get? Who can tell? Yes, Martha? 10 plus 0.
0.
Thank you for trying. 10 plus 0. Who can tell? What do we get? Yes, Mercy?
10.
We get 10. 10 plus 0, we shall get 10. Now this one, when you get that 1, with the one which you got from here, we say that is having 10. Now it was 10, which you have put here plus the 0, and you remain with the 10. Now, 10 take away 4. What do we get? Let's draw the balls aside. 10 balls, we are going to get our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? After crossing out, now count and see how many remain with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now we are coming to the next place value. Now you can tell me which numbers are there. Which numbers are there under tens? Yes, Bella? Bella?
6 take away 2.
We are here under tens, Bella.
1 take away 6.
1. Remember, we had 1 here. They had bought that 1. We remain with the 0. Here we have 0. Because that number 1 was taken, which was already there. We remained with the 0. Now what can you see? Yes, Aman? Yes. Okay, unmute yourself and tell me.
0 take away 6.
We have 0 take away 6. Now, is it possible? If it says 0 take away 6. Yes. Now, what are we going to do? Who can tell me what are we going to do? Yes. What are we going to do? Yes, Paisley?
We are going to subtract.
Yes, we are going to subtract it. But we said the 0 take away 6. It is impossible. Then I was like, what are we going to do? Which another step are we going to do? Yes, Kiara?
We are.
Sorry. Yes, Kiara? Yes. Kiara? Okay, who can tell me what's saying what to do? Mercy, Mwesigwa. Mercy?
We borrow from 6.
We are going to borrow 1 from this. Here we shall remain with the 5. We carry this 1 having down, we having the 10. Now we shall say 10 take away 6. Got your side work. When you get to this, we add it here positive, the 10 plus 0, we shall remain with the 10. Now 10 take away 6. Draw your 10 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count the remainder. Count and tell me how many have you remained with. Oh, I have my daughter there. She has no name. You have Galaxy, is it? No name is Galaxy. Okay, you just tell me. It's like this, right? I want just tell, yes. What is your name first?
Me.
Yes, you.
Shanika.
Shanika, okay. Now, what have you got, Shanika?
4.
Oh, thank you. Then right there, our number 4. Now, remember here under hundreds, we had 6. They borrowed 1. We remained with 5. Now it will be 5 take away 2. Go to your side work. 5 take away 2. Work it out and tell me how many have you remained with. 5 take away 2. 5 take away 2. Preshiv. Preshiv, what have you got?
Which I didn't go to. I
Yeah.
don't understand it. Number 3.
Number 3. That's why I said let's be very attentive. Or I even wrap it. No, I'm not going to wrap it. I'm going to give you another number which will be like this one. Okay? Yeah, you just keep paying attention. I'll give you. That's why I said let's go step by step. Now here you have 5 take away 2. How many have you remained with? 5. I need each of you to give me the answer. Let me see those ones who have not given me so far. Paradise. Paradise. Yes. 5 take away 2. What have you got? Oh my God, she has not seen the answer. Yes. Now Prishiv has seen the answer. Yes, Prishiv. The question was yours at first. What is the answer, Prishiv? Yes, tell me.
3.
3. Thank you. Now let's go to number 4. Number 4 is about 84 liters. 84 liters of soda for his visitors. He served 62 liters. Served 62 liters of soda. How much soda was left? Still, this one is also simple. This is not the number. Okay, let's first answer this one faster. Then we shall look at number 5. Number 4, first write the unit. The line in the middle first. Okay, now come under one was 4 take away 2. Work it out and tell me how many you've got. Oh, I have somebody that is hiding. I'm just seeing the hand, but I don't see even your name. You are having iPhone. Stand upright so that I can describe you. You are putting on, is it a black shirt, a black gray t-shirt? Now, what is your name?
Gary.
Yes? You are Gary? Yes? Okay. Now tell me the answer. What have you got for take away 2? 2. Okay. Even come to tens. Work it out. Shoulder working and tell me what have you got? I think. Now if you've seen the answer, tell me. Nateza, what have you got? Yes, Nateza? Nateza, what have you got? Oh, let me see. Victor?
Answer is 2.
The answer is 2. Thank you. Alright, I need each of you to give me at least one answer. Now let's go to number 5. For number 5, we need to be very attentive. Yes? Number 5, we need to be very attentive. It is Takembo filled his car with 92 liters. 92 liters. 92 liters of petrol. If he used 74 liters of petrol, if he used 74 liters of petrol, how much petrol was left? How much petrol was left? Still here, let's be very attentive. Step by step. I don't need to leave you behind. Alright? Alright, let's start with the unit. Put there the unit. Put there the unit, which is liters. Are we done with that? Now the next step, let's draw the line in the middle, separate the place values. Are we done? Now we are coming to this. Under one nose, what can you see? Who can tell me? What can you see under one nose? Mwesi kwa masi? What can you see under one nose? Yes. Okay, who has seen? What can you see under one nose? Yes, Prishiv. Now I think Prishiv has seen something. Tell me. The other time you are not seeing, now you can see. Yes?
The answer of 1 is 2.
No, don't tell me the answer. You just tell me the figures which you can see under one nose. What can you see? We are going to find out the answer together. Okay? Yes? Shanika? Ooh, yes, Anna? My children are not seeing it. Yes, Anna? And, to take away from. Now, can we say to take away from? We shall say that is impossible. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? How I wish we are near me, then you answer when I can see what you are doing within your books. Yes, Paradise? First, unmute yourself. Yes, what are you going to
Borrow.
How many are going to borrow?
Borrow from 9.
Okay, we are going to borrow 1 from 9. Okay, here we shall remain with the 8. Now the one which you've borrowed is having 10. Okay? When you put it here, it will be 10 plus 2. What do we get? 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2, what do we get? Who can tell me? 10 plus 2. Yes, Bella? We get 12. Now, count your side work. Let's say that this is our side work. Get your 12. 12 take away from. Draw the 12 balls. Draw the 12 balls. You cross out 4. 1, 2, 3. I said I don't want to leave anybody. Here you've got 12. Take away from. Draw the 12 balls on your side work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 12, cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now tell me, how many have you remained with? This time around, I need the answer from Nantes. Nantes, you are too quiet. Tell me the answer. Yes? First unmute yourself and tell me how many have you remained with? How many? Yes? Okay, let me get another person. Tell me what you've remained with. Yes, Barije? Barije?
So we can't hear you.
Really? Now, can you hear me, Barije?
Yes.
Alright, now, here you have 12, take away 4. When you cross out 4 from the 12, how many have you remained with? Yes? Okay, who has seen the answer? Let me see. Adil. Adil. Let me go to Malaika. Malaika, how many have you remained with? She's off. Okay. Yes, Anna, tell me. Now Malaika is back. How many have you remained with? Anna? Okay. Yes. We remained with 8. Then we come here. Remember there were 9. We removed the 1. We remained with the 8. Now it will be 8 take away 7. Go to your side work. 8 take away 7. And this answer I want it from Tumela Zedarius. 8 take away 7. What do you get? Work out and tell me the answer. 8 take away 7. Teacher wants the answer from Darius. Tumela Zedarius, what have you got? First unmute yourself. Now tell me. Yes, Darius? Okay. Malaika, what have you got?
I've got 1.
Thank you. You got 1. All right. Now let's go to number 6. Number 6. This one you are going to work it out for me. Zimbi collected. Zimbi collected. Zimbi collected 63 liters. 63 liters of milk from his farm. He sold 55 liters. He sold 55 liters. How much milk did he remain with? Right. Number 6. Can you work it out for me? You work it out in your books. When you get the answer, the whole of this, you put up the hand. Let me not help you on this. First work it out for me. collecting. You answer this number. That's number 6. Work out number 6. What you get, you put out the hand and tell me the answer. First work it out in your books. Hey, paradise. As you've finished, first wait. Let me first wait for other people to work out. I'm soon collecting the answers from you people. Now let me start receiving answers. Okay, put up the hand and tell me the answer which you've got. Adil? Adil, which answer have you got? Yes? Yes? 8. Let me get. Do you have any other answer? Adil has 8. Anna, which answer do you have?
0.
You have 0. Another person? I need to know your answers, the answers which you've got. Yes, Paisley? Which answer have you got? Paisley?
4.
You've got 4. Do we have any other answer? Paradise, what have you got? Yes?
8.
You've got 0, 8. 0, 8 is the same as 8. Alright, it's the same as 8. Another answer, Asio? You've got it too. I'm enjoying the answers. Let me see. Do you have any other answer? Yes, Kiara? Kiara, what have you got?
Got 8.
You've got 8. 8 is already there. Yes, Paul? Up there. Paul? What have you got? Only put up the hand if you have the different answer. If your answer is already here, don't put up the hand. Paul, what have you got?
5.
5.
5.
Okay. Can I have many answers? Hey, yes, Marija, which answer do you have? Yes. Unmute yourself first. Alright, let's work it out and yes?
8, 0.
You got 0, 8. If you have 8, 0, that is 80. We shall see. Okay, let's see whether
8, 0.
Alright. Now here you had first the unit. Let's work out with the teacher, we see which answer is right. Then we draw our line in the middle first. Here under ones you have 3, take away 5. Which is impossible. Then we borrow 1. Here we shall remain with the 5. We get this. Here it will be having 10. 10 plus 3, that is 13. Now we are going to draw the 13 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now 13, take away 5. I'm crossing out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are counting the remainder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We write our 8 under 1 nose. Then we count to 10s. Remember there were 6. We borrowed the 1, remained with 5. Now 5, take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've remained with nothing, which is a 0. Now, how many people got this? it for me. Mrs. Chigundu had 165 liters. Liters of water. She used 97 liters. How much water was left? This is number 7. Even that one, work it out for me. That's number 7. Work it out for me. I'm waiting. I'm soon receiving answers. Okay, Asio, what have you got? Which answer?
103.
103. Like that. This answer, Bella? Okay. Another person. Paradise, what have you got?
Got 68.
68.
Eight.
Anna, what have you got? Anna, I know people are going to correct themselves. Anna, what have you got?
58.
58. Okay. Anybody that yes, Prishim, what have you got? Prishim? Prishim. Yes, Prishim?
148 liters.
148. Okay. Let me see. Yes, Barije, what have you got? Barije?
78.
78. Oh, teacher can see answers. What else? Just put up the hand and tell me the answer which you. If your answer is already here, don't tell me. I need only different answers. Only different answers. Have you all got this? Okay. Now let's work. Hey, Shivan, what have you got? Shivan? Shivan? Nakoma. What have you got, Shivan? Yes?
29.
29.
29.
I think these ones are enough. Now let's work out and see which answer is right. Yes? We start with the unit, which is liters. Then we come here, first draw our lines in the middle, separate the place values. Okay? Now we are starting from ones. Under ones I can see 5 take away 7. Let's say that one is impossible. Now let's borrow. We shall borrow 1 from this here, we shall remain with 5. This one will be contained in 10 and this one will be 10 plus 5. We shall get a 15. Now let's draw our 15 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now 15, cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm counting the remainder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We remained with 8. Then we have to go to an express value, which is tens. Under tens here, remember there were 6. We removed 1, we remained with 5. Now it is 5, take away 9. Still, it is impossible. We come to the express value. We get that 1, we put it there. Okay? Now it will be 10 plus 5, still to be 15. Now 15, take away 9. Let's draw the 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Cross out to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I want to count the remainder and see how many have remained with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We write 6. Under hundreds, we have nothing. You can either put a 0 or you leave it. We have nothing there. Now, who got this? How many of you got 68? Wow! Alright, if you didn't get 68, make your corrections faster before you go to another work. Make your corrections faster if you didn't get this answer.
What?
68.
Okay, if you are done with the corrections, do this. I don't want to leave you behind. Alright, now let's go to page 46. Page 46. On page 46, we have fill in the missing numbers. Are we all there? Number 1, fill in the missing numbers. We have 651, 652, 653, 654, dash and dash. Okay, now I need the missing numbers. Which number comes after this? After 654. Let me see. Larry. Yes, Larry. Up there. $655, thank you. Okay, the next number after 655, Shanika. $656, thank you. Okay, number 2, still filling the missing numbers. And on number 3 we have 789, 788, 787, 786, dash and dash. Look at this number. Carefully, here they were adding, here they are subtracting, or they've arranged these numbers in descending order from biggest to smallest. Now, which number comes next? Which number comes next? Yes, Aman? Unmute yourself first.
785.
785, thank you. 785. Now can you tell me the next number? Let me see. Kiara? Kiara? Yes, Kiara, which number is the next one here? Okay. Marije? The answer is
The answer is 784.
784. Thank you so much. Now let's go to number 3. Number 3. Writing in order starting with the smallest. We have 844, 843, 841, 845, 842. Okay, this is number 3. They've told us to write in order, starting with the smallest. Now you're going to tell me number by number. Okay, which number is the smallest? Which number is the smallest? Which number is the smallest? Yes, Austin? Austin? Shanika? Okay.
841.
Thank you, 841. Now we are writing our answer. 841, we put a comma. Which number is supposed to be the next one? Yes, Larry? 842. Okay, the next one, Anna.
843.
843. The next one, Paradise. Yes, madam. 844.
844.
Yes, and then the last one. Let me see. Sean. Oh, who can tell me the last one? Yes, Shanika? Shanika?
845.
845. Let's go to number 4. Showing you on page 46. Page 46, number 4. Then on number 4, they've told us, write in order, starting with the largest. Write in order, starting with the largest. We have 992, 990. We have this. All right, we have those figures there. Now tell me which one I'm going to start with. Starting with the largest. Starting with the largest. Yes, Bella? 999, 994. Which one is the largest? Which one is the biggest? Not 994 better. Yes, Friendship?
999.
999. Which one is the next one? Yes, Sean?
Which number are we?
I said we are on page 46, number 4. Have you reached there? Okay, who can tell me the next number? Yes, Martha? Martha?
990.
Martha?
990.
990? Thank you for trying. Another trial. Which number will be the next one? Yes, Melanie? Melanie?
994.
Thank you. Sean, have you reached page 46? Number 4. Page 46. Number 4. That's where we are. Alright. Who can tell me the next number? After this, which number will be the next one? Kiara? Yes, Kiara?
993.
993. Okay? The next one. Yes, Blessing. Which number comes next? Just tell me. Okay, sorry. 992. Thank you. Nantes are the last one.
990.
990. Then for number 5, let me just read. Number 5. Write the number after. We have 99. Which number comes after 99? Who can tell me? Yes, Victor. Victor?
No.
100. Write it there. Then we got the next one. We have
100.
okay. We write it here. We have 289. Which number comes after 289? Who has seen the answer? Which number comes after 289? Sean, give it to me. I swear that we are together. Sean? Thank you. 290. Then we have 569. Which number comes after? Yes, please.
It seems Luswata's page 46 has totally different things. So you're not on the same page with him.
Which
Because
class?
45 has a topic of whole numbers. So page 46 starts from number 5 to number 10, and it's it's totally different from what you have.
In which class is he?
P5.
Okay, I'm sorry. We are still in primary 3. He's going to come after this class.
Oh.
Yeah, it is at 1:30. His class. At 1:30.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, who can tell me which number comes after this? 569? Yes, yes. Okay, Anna, tell me.
570.
570. Then the last one, 774. Which number comes after? Pre-shift? Pre-shift? Yes, pre-shift.
775.
Thank you, 775. Then number 6. Write the numbers before. Which number comes before 100? Asio? Asio?
99.
99, write it there. Which number comes before 499?
199.
Which number comes before 499? 4. Yes, 4.
498.
Okay, we have which number comes before 649? Yes. Okay, Anna, tell me.
648.
And then the last one, which number comes before 800? Which number comes before 800? Yes, Austin. Austin?
789.
All right. Now, next time, we shall start from the next page. Bye-bye until we meet.